QuickBooks versus Sage. Which accounting software is better? Choosing the right accounting software can transform how you manage your finances without the usual headaches. QuickBooks offers simplicity, while Sage focuses on advanced features for growing businesses. QuickBooks and Sage are two leading accounting software options. QuickBooks is known for its user-friendly design and ease of use, while Sage provides more robust, customizable tools suited for complex accounting needs. The core difference lies in simplicity versus depth. QuickBooks is an intuitive accounting software designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses. It simplifies financial management by automating tasks such as invoicing, expense tracking, and payroll. Users can connect bank accounts and credit cards to automatically import transactions, saving time and reducing errors. QuickBooks offers cloud-based access, allowing business owners to manage accounts on the go. Its strengths include a clean interface, extensive integrations, and strong customer support. However, it may lack some advanced customization options needed by larger or highly specialized businesses. QuickBooks is ideal for entrepreneurs and small business owners who want an easy-to-use solution that covers essential accounting functions without overwhelming complexity. It supports tax filing and financial reporting, making compliance straightforward. The main limitation is that as businesses scale, QuickBooks might not offer the depth of features or flexibility that more complex operations require, potentially necessitating a switch later on. Sage is a comprehensive accounting platform tailored to meet the needs of growing businesses and enterprises. It offers advanced features like multi-currency support, inventory management, and detailed financial reporting. Sage's modular design allows users to customize the software by adding functionalities as their business evolves. It supports complex workflows, making it suitable for companies with specialized accounting requirements or multiple departments. Sage also provides strong compliance tools and integrates with various third-party applications, enhancing its versatility. While powerful, Sage can have a steeper learning curve and may require more time to set up and master. It is best suited for medium to large businesses that need in-depth financial controls and scalability. The platform excels in handling complex accounting scenarios, but might be more than necessary for smaller businesses or startups looking for simplicity. Sage's pricing reflects its enterprise focus, which could be a consideration for budget-conscious users. QuickBooks shines with its ease of use and fast setup, making it perfect for small businesses or sole proprietors who want to manage finances efficiently without technical complexity. It handles day-to-day accounting, but may struggle with advanced requirements. Sage, on the other hand, offers greater flexibility and depth, ideal for businesses with complex accounting needs or plans to scale. However, this comes with increased complexity and a higher learning curve. For example, a freelancer or small shop will benefit more from QuickBooks' straightforward approach, while a growing company with inventory and multi-user access needs will find Sage more suitable. The trade-off is between simplicity and power. QuickBooks prioritizes user-friendliness, while Sage focuses on customizable, enterprise-grade features. Choose QuickBooks if you want an easy, reliable accounting solution with fast setup and strong support, perfect for small businesses and freelancers. Sage is the better choice for businesses requiring advanced features, customization, and scalability. If your accounting needs are complex or growing, Sage provides the tools to manage finances efficiently. Selecting the right software depends on your business size and specific financial requirements.